Hey there, how's it going? You look like the kind of person in a team that gets a lot of sales. And lucky for you, at Softr, we actually have a sales KPI dashboard that I think you'll find very intriguing. This dashboard is something that you can get at softr.io/templates and is completely free. If you're interested, make sure to go and check it out today. As with all of our templates, you can go here to the preview option to take a look at it and see what it would be like from a myriad of different standpoints. For example, for Jane Doe, be a sales manager, and for John Smith, who would be a sales rep. Just taking a quick look at what this setup is like, you get to see awesome team KPIs, and with Softr's awesome charts, all the data that are inside of your data sources are going to showcase with cool tooltips and a myriad of different data visualization options. Between the bookings by month, the number of deals added by month, the value of the deals added by month, and a number of other KPIs like number of deals won versus lost by month, and some other goals and forecast numbers here, you'll see that this is a very comprehensive dashboard. And if we want to take a look at the actual content within these, I would recommend that you go and press Use Template on this. And after doing that, what you'll be able to do is then connect it to your preferential data source. I'm going to do this to Airtable, then copy the base to my Airtable account. And you'll see right here that there is a list of sales managers and sales reps that are going to be the two different types of users, once again, within this platform. And now, after I press Create Application, it's going to take a moment and create this exact same app inside of your Softr workspace. So as you can see right here, there are not a crazy number of pages within the system, but we're going to dive into more of them besides what I showed you at the beginning. So as you can see, once again, going to users, if we want to check these out from a couple different perspectives, we can press what we're thinking. I think I want to check it from the sales manager point of view again. So I'm going to get Jane Doe's magic link, make sure that the site is published. You also have the ability to preview this in a different way. You can actually just press this preview button and view it from a non-logged in user or from all these different people. And then, for example, if Jane Doe is the kind of person that you want to look at it from, they would be the sales manager as mentioned here. And within the Airtable account, by the way, now I do have in this base a deals table and a goals table. So that's going to be what data is aggregated into these charts that you're going to see. I think it's really cool to see all these different bookings like by month and everything that you're seeing here. All of these different charts, by the way, are updated in real time, and you can zoom in and out if you so choose, as well as save this as an image. And now let's dive into another page that I didn't show you at the beginning. So we have KPIs per rep is another option. So we can drill down the KPIs by the specific sales rep. So if I click on Jane Doe, that would be all the same kind of data that we had on the previous page, but filtered down to Jane Doe. So you can see right here, this is just specifically filtered to her. And then the number of deals added by month, all these other options that were listed on the previous page, but just filtered to this person. Now, in the team KPIs page, you will notice that on the hover, it had the different people that were listed here, which I find very interesting. So if we wanted to, in order to make like a my view based on who's logged in, we actually could take the other point of view, which would be for someone like John Smith, who is not a sales manager, but just a sales rep. If we go to my KPIs, we're actually going to view this from just their point of view. So the sales rep dashboard is the page. So if we go sales rep dashboard, we'll see that this is filtered to email from deal owner is the logged in user's email. And that makes it so that I can only see, since I'm John Smith, all the data from John Smith. So the manager essentially gets to see it from a team level, whereas the sales rep gets to see it from their side of things. Now, you could also have a My KPIs view still if you wanted to for people who were just sales managers. All we'd have to do there would be to go to manager dashboard, since that's the main homepage. And we could just take something like this and add another link and just call it add action, open page. And let's just do sales rep dashboard and just have it be my KPIs. So now when I refresh this, if I'm logged in as a manager, I'm going to be able to see my KPIs here. Now it's in that section only if I make sure to fix one more thing, which is going to be, you'll see that the visibility here, if I go and click on the visibility for this page right here, I'd have to just go to sales rep dashboard, settings. I'd get rid of this and just have it be all logged in users. And then update this And just like new, we'd be able to see my KPIs. Because even though I'm a manager, I do want to see what my stuff is. And all of these different charts can be adjusted to your needs. There's so many different options to choose from. We actually have a video on the revamped charts that we have in Softr if you want to check that out. But I'm really excited for you guys to check out all the different ways that you can analyze your sales information and KPIs inside of Softr. If you have any more questions on different templates like this one, make sure to check out this video on how to improve your skills using Softr even more.